If you're looking at software this Black Friday and Cyber Monday, then you might be wanting to pick up an AI content writer. In this video, I'm going to review 9 of them. We're going to go from the most expensive out there that I have found all the way down to the cheapest. Expensive doesn't mean that it's overpriced necessarily. So depending on whether you've got a large budget and a large team or whether you're just starting out, then I want to show you a range of products so you can decide which one is best for you. Stick around, I do have a bonus tool at the end that's going to help you if the content you're producing you want to rank in Google. So we're going to start off with Jasper then. Jasper is definitely one of the more expensive tools out there on the market when it comes to AI content writers, but it also does a huge amount for you. So if you've got a big team or you've got a decent budget, you might want to go for Jasper. All of the sites I'm going to show you, all the software, are going to be linked in the description, and Jasper is going to be the first one. So you come over to the link there, you click on the go to this deal, and it will take you through to their Black Friday offer. So you can see you're going to save thousands, even though it's going to cost you a bit of money, and you're going to get 3 bonuses. We do have a Black Friday list that goes through a lot of these softwares in more detail, so I'll put a link to that at the very end of this video. But you can see you've got details on the page here about everything that you're getting, and it's going to cost you $990. Just a reminder, that doesn't come with the Surfer SEO plugin. You'd have to pay additionally for that, but that is also on offer for Black Friday. So that's how much that one is. The next option you've got is you've got Writesonic. Their Black Friday deal is 50% off in total, and you just hit the claim now in order to get hold of that one, and that is the second link in the description. As you can see here in the pricing, you've got lots of options when it comes to the pricing with Writesonic, and you can change the pricing. So you can actually make it quite cheap all the way around to more expensive, but obviously you're getting more for your money. You need to go for annual billing, which gives you the 33% off, but then as you can see with the Black Friday, you're getting an additional 20% off. That only runs for a few more days, so if you're interested in putting up Writesonic, then you might want to act fast. You can also check out the free trial. You can do exactly the same. Jasper has a free trial as well, just to test these out before you decide to invest. But as you can see, it's a little bit more expensive depending on the number of words you want and the number of users. Another option you've got out there, which is a little bit more cheaper, is Copy AI. They've got 3 months free at the moment if you pay yearly, and a lot of these are pay yearly or pay annually, so please make sure you've got your settings correct before you go and pay so you're not overpaying. But as you can see here, it's £36 a month for the yearly plan, which is cheaper than some of the others, but some people might find that a little bit more expensive. You can see they've got 90 copywriting tools, unlimited projects, 25 languages, and you've got the blog wizard tool as well. Both with this one here, with Writesonic and with Copy AI, you don't have the built-in SEO, just like you don't with Jasper, so you'll have to pay additionally for that. So just make sure you budgeted that in, but you are using tools that have been around for a while, and if you're not interested in SEO, then it doesn't matter. The next option we've got here for you is Rytr. This is what the dashboard of Rytr looks like. You can see all your projects here. You can see we've got a huge number of tools. We've got the language that we can select, the tone of voice, we put in our keywords, and then it will write. In order to get the discount on Rytr, you need to go into the account section and you get 30% off forever. Not just for 1 year, but forever. What you need to do is come down here. You need to be on it says the unlimited annual plan, as you can see there, and you've got until the 30th of November. So make sure on unlimited, make sure you've got pay yearly. It will say $290 for the year, but then you've got the coupon code that you just need to put in. Use the coupon code, and then that will apply your discount. I do like Rytr. It's really easy to use. It does have a SERP analysis tool now, but you need to make sure that you've got that function turned on, and we've got a video on how to do that on this channel. But again, you can see you've got unlimited characters, 30 languages, and you've got lots and lots of tools that you can use. The next one you've got at the moment is Peppertype. We did a video earlier in the week on the Peppertype Black Friday deal, but it's now at a 50% discount on the annual plan. And again, Peppertype has got a huge amount going on. Lots of tools. It's got a long form editor like the previous ones. It doesn't have that SEO integration, but you've got 50% off at the moment. You need to make sure you're on the annual plan. and then you'll be able to decide if you're going to go for personal or for team. But you can see that's $25 a month or $300 for the year, whereas Rytr is $200. So it's more expensive than Rytr, but again, it's in that mid-range budget. Another option you've got is Scalenut. So this is Scalenut here. You can see you're getting 65% off all their annual plans, $500 of Saas credits, and they're going to double your limits for your words. So you can see that they've got different plans here. So just make sure you're reading the fine print when it comes to claiming this deal, but you can see the plans here generally are cheaper. We've got $28 a month here for the growth plan. And the other reason I really like Scalenut is it does have this ability to create SEO reports. So this one comes with that SEO, so it is better value for money than some of the software we've just looked at, because you can get your SEO report. They've got the cruise mode where you can create your blog in 5 minutes, which is quite similar to what Writesonic does, and then it's got the built-in editor. So it's very similar. If you've used Writesonic, then you might want to come over and check out Scalenut, because I said we've got that SEO integration in there, which comes with the 30 of those SEO reports with the growth plan, and you get the cruise mode, which you don't get with the individual plan. So that's why that one is the most popular, and I definitely recommend taking a look at Scalenut if you're interested in saving some money and you are writing content that you want to rank. The next option we've got here is Wordplay AI, and this is currently on lifetime deal at the moment. So you can actually use this AI content writer. You can see here you've got all the different features that it has, and I'm not going to go through all of these, as I said, in detail, but this one at the moment is on lifetime deal. So you've got the one-time payment and you can use it forever. These are your different options depending on your word limit, but previously, okay, let's go back to Rytr, $203 a year. This one, yes, it's going to cost you more upfront, but that's for lifetime. So over a period of time, that's going to work out cheaper. So you're going to get 200, 500 words. You've got 20 languages that you can use, and you've just got to use the link that's in the description, as I said, and then you'll be able to pick which of these plans is best for you and get the lifetime deal on Wordplay, which again allows you to write long form content. Next ones I want to show you then, we're going down to the cheaper end, this is WordHero. It's currently on Appsumo at the moment in their Black Friday sale, and it is $89 for a one-time purchase, and you're able to produce, as you can see down here, high quality blog articles, social media captions, email, ad copy, SEO descriptions, marketing ideas in just a few clicks. So it does what the other software can do, but because it's on Appsumo for Black Friday at the moment, it is $89. And as you can see here with Appsumo, you get your 60-day money-back guarantee, and you get 10% off if you are spending over $150 on Appsumo. Another option also on Appsumo that we've covered a lot on the channel is Rytrecream. That's even cheaper at the moment. For Black Friday, it's only $59. And again, you can do a lot of what the other AI content writers are doing. It says here you can generate a 1,000-word article in about 30 seconds. You can do all the other short form editing that the other softwares can do as well. But again, it's only $59 lifetime. And just like you can over with WordHero, you can just scroll down and see what's included in the plan. And you can do exactly the same with Writecream. You can scroll down and see what's included in the plan and see what your word limit is for the money that you're paying. Now, that's all 9 of them done, but I did say I would throw in one additional tool, because I did mention that quite a few of these tools don't come with the integrated SEO ranking factor to allow you to rank. And so I want to show you Neuronwriter. Now, Neuronwriter is a great tool. It shows you, once you've taken your AI long form content, you can cut and paste it into Neuronwriter, and it will show you exactly what you need to do in order to optimize your article. It tells you what keywords you need to include. It tells you how well you're competing with other website, so with your competitors, and then if you see up here you get a score and you're just trying to push that score as high as possible. They're on Black Friday at the moment. They are Appsumo Select, which you'll need to make sure you want to decide if that's right for you. But you can see here that it is on Black Friday. You can change the number of codes depending on what you want, and if you want to know what those codes mean, you just need to come down and check out the details to find out how many codes it is you need. But if you are going to buy on Appsumo, either this one here, you're interested in WordHero, or you want to pick up Writecream and you'd like to get that 10% discount, then you might want to consider pairing it with something like Neuronwriter that's going to help you with that ranking, and then you'll be getting that 10% discount as it sends down here. You might want to pair it with a third or fourth deal. On Appsumo, you can see all the Black Friday deals are under one tab, so you can see what else you want to pair it with. That's everything that I wanted to show you. I did say that I would put this playlist of videos up at the end that you can click on. Otherwise, if you want to pick up any of these deals, then head down to the description, click the links, and we'll see you in the next video.